Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1 2 Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix date of birth in TikTok shop. So let's get started. At first, let's get into TikTok app. Now click on your profile icon in the bottom right, and to have a TikTok shop account, you need 1000 followers and you need to be over age 18. So once you complete all of the requirements, you'll have the TikTok shop account, and after that you can simply go to your profile icon and click on this three-line icon and click on settings and privacy. Now we can see there is no such option as changing date of birth, and even if we go to account, we won't be able to see any of those options. So what we can do is simply get back and scroll down and click on report a problem. Now over here we also cannot see any of the option for changing our age or changing the date of birth. So click on chat with us, and here we need to write our problem that our age was mistaken in previous entry and we want it changed, and you need to write and give the proper explanation about why you would like to change date of birth or age in TikTok, after which you can simply send the message and it will be addressed by TikTok help desk and the problem will finally be fixed. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.